Breaking the Wall of Vaccine Equity. Natasha Theriault, Falling Walls Lab, Manitoba.
Good morning. Now I'd like to talk to you about vaccines, one of the most complex and divisive topics in recent years. And because of this pandemic, a topic which has made us ask ourselves, who will get access to this life-saving technology? And although we've seen how quickly safe vaccines can be developed, their delivery now poses an entirely new logistical challenge. According to the WHO, there's still about 3 billion people around the world who are unvaccinated against COVID. And one of the reasons why this is happening is because once that safe vaccine is created, it actually has a very long journey ahead of it, from mass production in manufacturing facilities to storage in centralized warehouses before it's finally delivered to individual communities. And in the case of our COVID vaccines, just to complicate matters, all of those steps have to occur between refrigeration to ultra-low freezer temperatures. That's like taking a cold glass of water across the desert without ever letting it warm up or freeze. So for this reason, distribution in low-income countries becomes difficult or nearly impossible, where average temperatures can range between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. There is a solution, though. More equitable vaccines can be created through the use of phages, or phage, depending on where you're from, bacterial viruses, the natural predators of bacteria. And although they look like something straight out of a science fiction film, they're actually the most abundant and diverse biological entities on our planet. And you can find them nearly everywhere, including the human body. Phages can be designed to deliver a pathogen's protein or genetic material to immune cells to stimulate the production of antibodies without ever infecting a human cell. And that's exactly what I'm testing right now in a COVID disease model using a brand new phage that I've isolated, and I'm already getting amazing results. This technology can also be quickly adapted to other types of pathogens. So those that are known, like what we routinely immunize against, think measles or even malaria now, or pathogens that are newly emerging, like during a pandemic. But what makes it especially unique is that these formulations can be freeze-dried, eliminating the need for refrigeration and further reducing the amount of energy that's required just to store and transport our vaccines. They can also be easily manufactured in a matter of hours at a fraction of the cost of mRNA or viral vectored vaccines, with the flexibility to be administered orally or intranasally. That means more doses have the potential to be produced in-country or delivered to more places around the world. Phages can revolutionize the way we think about vaccines, making life-saving technology accessible for all people, and rather than dividing us, giving us the power to unite through saving lives. Thank you.